Silver Bay in the lovely parish of St. Anne, I stumbled upon this beautiful guest house. Now, it using guest house in its name doesn't give it justice because it's much more than that. It's a lovely apartment-like complex with many rooms. I'm going to be speaking to the supervisor to find out some history of the place as well as what are some of the features that it offers.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. Always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
Joining me on today's Kareem's Quest episode is Camille Lindsay, and she is a supervisor at Clock Tower Guest House. How are you, Camille?
I am fine, thank you.
Good. Camille, when I came here, this don't look like a guest house. You're going to have to change that name, don't it?
Well, it's in the works to do that, but
Yeah.
you know, when a lot of people are driving past, they always think when they come here to stay, they always think it's somebody's home.
Yeah.
So, you know, I guess guest house does not do it justice.
No, guest house don't do it justice. So you guys are trying to change that though, right?
We are.
Good. So tell me about Clock Tower. I am in Kingston, you know, we have like halfway through we have Clock Tower,
Yes.
right? So what did the name Clock Tower here come from?
Okay, so the name is a little bit reminiscent of Big Ben Clock in London. The owners of the property they currently reside there. So, you know, when they were building this place, they thought of, you know, so many other names, but they also wanted a working clock on the property. So while building, they had one installed on the building, and then the towers, and then from the front, it just looks like a clock tower. So that's one of the names, one of the you know, things
Unique
that,
things,
you know,
yeah,
unique
about here.
things about Clock Tower. Right?
And just for context, the owner is from Clarendon, right? He's
Yes.
a born and homegrown Jamaican man. His father was a farmer, loved Jamaica, you know, went away to England and made good use of himself there. Good?
Yes.
So talk to me now about this place. So when did it start?
Okay, so they started building in 2014, and you know, during the building process, initially it was supposed to be a affordable long-term rental property. But during the building process, you know, getting advice from everyone around him, you know, the owner just decided to turn it into what he sees it.
How many rooms am I looking at?
Okay, so we have 8 two-bedrooms and 4 one-bedrooms.
8 2-bedrooms, 4 1-bedrooms.
Apartments. But in all, we have 20 rooms, 20 bedrooms.
When I'm walking around, I see so much sign from the tourist board and so forth like that, and the safety measures that you guys are taking. Like for example, you have like a drop box for your key,
Yes.
so guests don't have to come and interact and stuff
Yes.
there.
So at the height of the outbreak, we were watching what was happening on the world stage. We implemented some things even before tourist board required for us to do so. So you know, when we reopened in August of last year, there were some COVID protocols that we had to meet in order to reopen. And you know, we just uphold all of that. You know, the drop boxes, and there's signage all around the property. And we also have a lot of hand sanitizers installed in, you know, all the areas. So it's easy for someone to access all of that. Yes.
No, talk to me about the rooms, right?
Okay.
Your rooms are basically like apartments.
Yes,
Tell me
they
what are
are.
some of the features about your rooms?
Okay, so our rooms, as you said before, are set up like self-contained apartments.
Right.
And they come with everything you need to prepare your own meals. For example, your stove, your fridge. So it gives you that experience of, you know, home away from home.
So you have a kitchen, basically a functioning kitchen.
We have a fully functioning kitchen.
You have pots and utensils.
Pots, utensils, everything. And what we don't have in there and you want, we can provide. Because we do functions, and we have a fully functioning industrial kitchen. So we have everything on site to assist you with your meal.
When persons come, if they want to go to the supermarket, is there a supermarket close by here?
Yes, there are supermarkets close by. but we also offer a shopping service for our guests. Yes, we do. So if you need anything, you just make your list and we'll go and get it for you.
All right. So tell me now, living room, what's that like? And entertainment.
Our living rooms are set up just like anyone's living room at home. And we have cable TV on the property. All the rooms come with their fully functioning modem. So you don't have to go to one central location to get Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is in all of the rooms.
Okay, nice.
We have
So
it.
persons who are working then who have to be traveling and working on a particular location, they are not inconvenient because internet sometimes is a big hassle. Even at some of the big hotels that I go to, they'll tell you that you have to come to certain points to get a good strength.
Right, and you can only connect with maybe 2 or 3 devices.
Right.
Here, you can come with as many devices as you want. When you're in your room, you can work from here. So, you know, that kind of helps with people who want long-term rental as well.
Okay then. And now we jump into the bedroom.
Okay.
What's the bedroom like?
So our bedrooms are set up with, we have, well, on the property, or 2 bedrooms either come with 1 bathroom or 2 bathrooms. So on the top floor, you have 2 bed, 2 baths. And on the ground floor, you have, well, on the top floor, we have 2 bed, 1 bath.
Okay.
Sorry. And on the ground floor, we have 2 bed, 2 baths. And our bedrooms are set up with king beds or queen beds, AC, hot water in all the rooms. We have no fan rooms here.
Good. So you have AC in a room.
Yes, there's hot water in your bathrooms, and we try to set up all, because a lot of people like to be in bed and watch TV. So most of our living rooms do have televisions, but we do kind of, you know, put the effort into putting TVs in bedrooms because you're here to relax. So why not just, you know, relax in bed and watch something on TV?
As you talk about relax and not necessarily wanting to do something, do you have like a wash area in terms of, do you provide that service if somebody's staying here for long and they have dirty clothes?
So we do have a laundry room here, and we do offer a laundry service. So our guests, either if you want to go and do it yourself, you know, because some people are very particular about the clothes. So if you want to do it yourself, someone will be there to assist you. Or if you want us to do it for you, we can do that as well.
Okay then. So if, yeah, because some persons may just want to do their own stuff. And
Yes.
what about cleaning up? Like how is your room cleaning service like?
Okay, so we offer daily room service if requested by the guest. But mandatory, every 3 days, we do room service, full service.
Change sheets and
Change
towels.
sheets, towels, we clean the entire apartment for you after 3 days.
Sometimes when people traveling, even myself, you know, I might forget toothbrush, toothpaste, stuff like that. And if I check in late,
Yes,
you know, how can I get, are those stuff available for sale?
yes. We do have our little handy hygiene packs. They have toothbrush, soap, toothpaste and stuff like that. And you know, our office is, we adhere to the curfew with our office, but we have somebody 24 hours on call. So all you have to do is just call the number provided and someone will assist you with whatever it is you need, no matter what time.
All right. Going outside, I look at the lovely trees. Keep the garden and the area so nice.
Well, we have 2 maintenance men here, and we must credit them to Zane and James, because James Chili. You know, they take very good care of the plants. And when it gets very hot during the summer, we have to change our tactic. We have to not only just water, but we have to provide plants.
Because you have pine tree. Pine tree normally grow in the hills, not necessarily on the flats.
So we take very good care of our plants. And that's something the owners of the property really love. They love plants.
they
You know,
want to
so
see-
so they want to see the plants flourish. And you know, that's something that we pay extra attention to.
What is also huge here, which I never had any idea until I was just looking at the property and observing it. You have a entertainment area, a vast entertainment area.
Yes.
So behind us is a pool,
Yes.
right? Adjacent to the pool is a bar.
Yes.
You talk to me about all the entertainment things that you feature, because it seems as if here is not just known for somewhere that you can stay, you can have a lot of ceremonies here.
Yes. So we have a banqueting hall and we provide full servicing for weddings. We can do a ceremony only, or we can do everything that you need on the property. We have a bar, And soon, coming soon, our gym should be up and running. So in this area, it's just for entertainment.
Take me back to the wedding. What has been like one of your more memorable wedding experiences here?
When we just started out with our functions, we've had, older couples get married, and there was, my first experience was a young couple, and their wedding brought all of us, including, all the staff to tears. It was the most beautiful experience that we've had here, and to date, when we
What
walked,
made you gonna start crying?
because it was just two young people. You could feel the love between them, and the ceremony was beautiful. The initial setup, the personalities of the bride and the groom, the family, and everything. And we did everything. We did the decor, the catering. We did everything for them, and that experience was one of the better ones for me.
Nice. I like that, and I like how the area is designated for entertainment. It's not you guys necessarily just creating a little space,
No.
Hoping that it can serve as an entertainment area.
And the areas that you think, are not for entertainment, we can make that area into for a ceremony. A lot of people may not realize that, the pool area you can have your ceremony here,
So like on a flexible, unwilling to work with people.
we are. And what we do, we have wedding packages, but we kind of go a step further where we allow people to kind of tweak our packages. Sometimes it's not what you offer, it's what they want. So, we sit our brides and our grooms down and we get their specifics. We get their dream and we bring it to life. Even if it is something that they want is outside of our packages. So, we try to do that here. We try to treat everyone like family. And, when you're dealing with family, at times, you may not want that. So, we have to take that out of it, even though that's something that comes with the package. We take it out and we tweak it and we make it your own.
Okay then. Now, what are some of the places that are close by here in terms of if you're staying here and you want to go and enjoy yourself? Where are we can you go?
Okay, so Puerto Rico Beach is just 5 minutes away. We have Fisherman Beach. A lot of people like to, people like the not so touristy areas. So the Fisherman Beach, you can get good atmosphere, and for you to be on the beach, it's free. And then we have the Jerk Center, the Ultimate Jerk Center, which is close by.
Whenever you're driving through St. Ann, it's hard to miss Ultimate Jerk Center. It's a place where many persons have come to just stop and relax as well as eat some good jerk food. I'm here with Iris, who is the manager. How are you?
I am very good, thank you.
Alright, you're normally a shy person, so I'm gonna pull you out.
Yes, that's true.
When I heard you that you say you want to do the interview, I was like, you know what? She don't want me nobody do the interview, I will pull her out.
Okay.
So, did you ever think that Ultimate Jerk Center would come to what it is now?
Not in our wildest dream when we started.
Yeah.
No, not at all.
It was, because what did it look like initially?
Well, at first it was just, especially the bathroom, it was just a zinc enclosure, and the little bar was a little hut, and the jerk area was a small area. So, we have done improvements. I think the bathroom was improved twice, the bar was improved twice, the kitchen area was improved and it expanded. So, but we didn't think that it would be like this. And then with the cricket field, we put up a pavilion there.
Yes,
so
yeah.
it has improved a lot. We are very thankful for everything that the Lord has allowed us to do.
That is so true. I mean, when you have something like this and you have the vision and the patience, because it's not overnight.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's going close to 20 years now, right?
Right.
It's not
And
an overnight thing.
the majority of the vision is from my other half. He is the visionary, and he really spends time to think about it and think about what he wants done, and then implemented.
So now, when there's a place that says Ultimate Jerk Center, right? What is the ultimate about this center now?
Ambiance.
Right?
You can come in, buy your food, and sit anywhere. Nobody bothers you.
It's true.
Right? You know, you have a nice open area.
This is one of the hugest properties I've actually been on with the largest parking space.
True. Yeah. And one of the things that we also, reason why we had to expand the parking was because on month end before COVID, the last Saturday of every month, we would have all these, retro parties.
Nice. Yeah.
And so we needed the space. And then on New Year's Eve, we have a massive crowd here. So we needed the space.
So every Sunday when I'm in a retro party?
No, the last Saturday of every month.
Saturday?
And this is prior to COVID.
How long, what was the time frame like with that retro party?
In how long
Yeah,
did it
like
start?
what time it starts in the day?
It actually starts about 10 o'clock until the police says when.
All this but good is a play.
Yes.
When I drop foot.
Yes. Definitely.
So, what is the food like? What should persons try when they come here?
Well, on the menu, the things that are most popular are the jerk, of course. We have jerk chicken, jerk rabbit.
Jerk rabbit?
Pork, yes, jerk rabbit. You know, for those people who want to try something different. So you can try the jerk rabbit. We have fish, escovitch fish, brown stew fish, curry goat. A lot of people drive for miles to come and taste our curry goat.
Really?
Yes. You have some people that will actually call us and say, I need 2 curry goat or 3 curry goat, because they know it'll be finished before they get here. So they call us to secure it. And the other stews we have, we're mostly Jamaican fare. So we have stew chicken, stew pork, curry chicken, and we also have roti that goes with the curry chicken or stew chicken or curry goat. And then we have the sides like rice and peas, plain rice,
The festival.
bami. Sometimes we have fritters. Most times we have fritters.
And they have your soup day as well.
Yeah, we have usually about 3 different types of soup. We have fish soup. We have vegetable soup, chicken soup, beef soup.
You know
So
what?
we will
One of
take-
the things I love about that, well, I've always eaten here, driving to whichever destination I'm going to, right? And your jerk chicken and jerk pork seem well seasoned. It don't seem like it just seasoned on the day and just leave for a couple hours. It seems like it's seasoned for a good while.
No, it has to be done either the day before or 2 days before
I
for
can
you to
taste-
get
I
that
know, I can
real
taste it.
flavor in it. And the other thing is that we use open coal. But we burn our own coal in the back, where we get the wood, put it down, burn it, and then use the hot coals. And most of the time we use pimento wood when we can get it. If we can't get pimento wood, then we use a different type of hardwood.
I noticed some time ago that you had expanded to a little ice cream parlor. Is that open or is that closed now?
That has closed because the traffic wasn't there for the pastry, and pastry is very expensive. I'm not sure if you purchase pastry anywhere else. It's expensive, and so to keep it up, you have to have somebody here doing the pastry. So for me to purchase it and then to sell it back, it wasn't feasible.
And it's kind of grab and go type place.
Right.
So you're thinking of transforming that into something else then?
Our ultimate goal down the line is to have a dining area, but we're thinking about where to put it and have sit down. Here, yes, you can sit down, and sometimes we have waitresses that take your order and stuff like that. Especially people who are older, then we could get them to take their order and help them. But our goal is to change it up to become a dining. So that's in the line.
I'm looking forward to seeing that. And this was a pleasure talking with you, alright?
Same here. And you enjoy the rest of your day.
Yes, I'm definitely going to try some jerk because it's at the Ultimate Jerk Center. And what is good is that it's parallel to Green Grotto, which is one of our basically natural attractions where you can go and you can learn about Jamaican history, and they have a good relationship with this place, so you can actually get a good package. As usual, people, stay safe, walk good, and continue to follow the quest.